How to make your Facebook stories public by default. Open the Facebook app. Tap on the three lines that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Tap on the option for settings and privacy. Tap on the option settings. Once you do that, you can access the settings. Scroll down. Find the section for audience and visibility. Tap on the option for stories that you can see right over here. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this option for who can see your stories. Tap on it. Make sure the option for public is selected. If it is not selected, simply tap on the option for public. Tap on the option save that you can see at bottom. Tap on the option save. Now the public will be able to view your stories. When you upload the stories, it will be public by default unless you change it. Like this, you can make your Facebook stories public by default. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.